Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So among the various flatbreads in Indian cuisine, I think naan is king of all flatbreads. Do you agree with me? Yes, right? It's loved by all age groups, and when this naan is infused with garlic and chopped coriander, it is so flavorful and divine. And so today we are going to look at how to make garlic naan on the tawa without using a tandoor. Sift flour in a large bowl. To this add in 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons oil, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Mix well to incorporate everything into the flour. Slowly add warm water little by little and knead to a smooth dough. Cover the dough with a plastic wrap or kitchen towel and set it aside for about 30 minutes. Finally, mince some garlic and coriander and set aside. After the resting period, knead it well once again. Divide the dough into 6 or 8 equal balls, depending on what size you want your naan to be. Dust each ball with some flour and roll to an oval shape using a rolling pin. Make sure not to roll it too thick or too thin. On one side of the rolled naan, sprinkle some minced garlic, some coriander, and some nigella seeds, also known as kalonji. Now sprinkle a pinch of flour and roll slightly so that all the garlic will stick onto the naan. Now turn the naan upside down. Apply a few drops of water on the plain side so that it can stick easily onto the tawa. Heat a pan over medium heat and place the watery side on the preheated griddle or tawa and close it with a lid. After a few seconds, you'll see some bubbles coming up on the naan surface. Cook it for a minute. Now turn the tawa upside down and roast on all sides of the naan directly over the flame till you get golden brown spots. If you want, you can char it a bit. I like to char it so that it has a tandoor oven effect. Now remove the naan from the tawa and apply butter immediately. So now let's see, if your naan fails to stick to the tawa, don't worry, you can just put it directly over the flame and cook it just like a fulka using tongs. You can see how I make it in the video. This also actually works equally good, I would say. So now let's see how to make the naan directly on the pan. So brush both sides of the naan with butter and place the naan on the hot pan. Cover with a lid and cook for a minute until you see bubbles starting to form. Flip and close the lid and cook for another minute on the other side until you see the upper side is fully cooked and dark brown spots start to appear. So you can also bake the naan in an oven at highest temperature for about 8 to 10 minutes. And in case you're baking, it is better to use a pizza stone if you have, so that you can get better results. Once all the naans are done, serve it hot with some curry on the side or cover it with an aluminium foil and use it later. But it is best served as soon as it comes out of the tawa. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me, Padma, signing off.